If you're looking for a video to help you set up your key fob so it automatically locks your doors when you walk away, or sets the lock setting so you can get in on all doors at the same time, you found the right video.
Welcome, it's Denson DIY, and today we're going to change our settings on our key fob.
So as you saw, this key fob will open the driver's door, but not any of the other doors automatically. So we're going to want to get in the car. We want to turn on the accessory so we can get into the settings. So in our CR-V, it's located in the Honda Infotainment Center. So you're going to want to get into your settings. You want to go over to Vehicle. And once you're in Vehicle, you can scroll down, see your several options. But what we're working on first here is we're going to set up so all the doors unlock when you unlock the main driver's side door. So that's in the keyless access, then the door unlock mode. Now you can choose to keep it on driver's side door only, or you can choose to do all doors. For us as a family vehicle, we want all doors. However, for safety reason, you may want it just to be the driver's side door. Next, we're gonna set up the auto door lock for when you're walking away. And so that's in this setting called walk away auto lock, and we wanna turn this on. Our primary or main key had these set up by the dealer. However, these options were missed on our second key fob. So that's why we're setting these up today. Now I'm going to turn it off and we're going to double check. While we're double checking, if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button so others can find it. And if you'd like to see more settings within the Honda Infotainment Center, let us know. We do have some on our channel already, but we'd love to make you more if they help out. As you can see, we're all set now and all doors unlock. And as I walk away, you hear the beep, meaning that the entire vehicle locked and armed as I walk away. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to catch us in the next one.